And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Kind of like the equivalent of South Florida getting snow. Very rare there. Speaking of snow, look at this. This is Denver, Colorado. 90 yesterday, snowing like crazy right now. And I just showed some pictures on Facebook a little while ago of some of the passes and some of the higher elevations like in Keystone. That snow coming down and coating the roads. Whew, they can have it. We'll talk about heat for us. Temperatures today were not hot. 60s and then a layer of 70s. And today was not the hot and humid day. That comes Saturday and Sunday. So actually kind of cool at the beaches, especially late in the day when a sea breeze kicked in. Right now, all temperatures are about the same, right around 60 degrees, and you won't move too much more tonight. The leading edge of the heat and humidity is on our doorstep now, and it will arrive by morning. Dew points have been rising through the evening. Still not really humid yet. Mid-50s and upper 50s doesn't really scream humid. But by the time you wake up tomorrow, the dew points will have moved into the 60-degree range and then get a little bit closer to 70 by Sunday. That's a humid air mass, and we'll have it in place. That's why a heat advisory has been issued for areas away from the immediate coast. And anytime you're going to have that 95 to 100 feel-like temperature, you're going to have an advisory like this. And we have one not just for Saturday, but for Sunday as well. So tomorrow, I've had a little fog in the morning. That rain, I'm going to show you the radar in a moment. It's going to keep some fog around for a little while, at least about 8, 9 o'clock. But the temperatures, once the fog burns off, take off. Inland, mid-90s. South, mid-70s. That big of a spread. So if you're looking for a little relief and you live in Johnston, get a little drive south if you want to cool off. The beaches will be really nice. I think they're going to be packed tomorrow. Early fog, southeastern Mass. Once the fog burns off, if you wake up and you see the fog, you say, I'm not going to the beach, it's foggy. Give it some time, it'll dissipate, and then hot and humid in the afternoon. 80s and 90s in southeastern Mass. So temperatures take off inland, but at the coast, you kind of hit 70, and then you just kind of flatline in the afternoon. That's why Newport will be about 20 degrees colder than Smithfield or Attleboro. And I use the word colder loosely because 73 is not cold. It's actually nice. So a beach day, yes. Again, let the fog burn off in the morning. Give it some time. And then once you get to the fog burning off, it turns out to be a really nice day. 70s, and the water temperature still in the 50s. A little cool for that dip in the water, but still a nice beach day. Satellite and radar, look at all the storms that just missed us tonight. They're mainly south. Now, we have some showers racing across the area, and there's actually one little thunderstorm that's continuing to expand in coverage. I'll zoom in here. If you live in Westerly, Ashaway, Charlestown, into Carolina, Hope Valley, Richmond, this is moving to the east, kind of hugging South County's coast right now, and this will drop some heavy rain. You'll get some lightning and a loud boomer. I know that because I just got informed from a good friend of mine in Mystic that when this storm passed through, he knew it was there. You could hear it. So if you are right along the Rhode Island coast in the next hour, don't be surprised if you hear some pretty rocking thunder and some decent lightning and some heavy rain. Once that's out of here, we just get through some fog in the morning tomorrow, and tomorrow's a nice day. And followed up on Sunday, just a little hot and humid. Feels like summer. Showers and storms Sunday night, then we'll cool off. Temperature 60s and 70 degrees as we go into next week with a slight chance of rain by Friday. Ian.
Thank you, Jeff.